How do you forward an email in Gmail? It's quite simple. In this case, I have an email that I received in my email box. So I want to forward it to someone else. So what do? All I have to do is to come here at these three little dots and click them, and then go and click forward. Here on the forward part, I can also get more options by clicking this drop down and then click pop out reply. I can see the message I'm forwarding, and also I have the option of adding a blind copy or a circulation copy. So in this case, let's say I'm forwarding it to test@gmail.com, and I want to copy this to test2, and then I want to make a blind copy to test3. So once I do this, I then write my message there that I want a person to see, to say, for your information. So the person will receive this entire thread. After I do that, all I have to do is to click send. And just like that, I forwarded an email to 3 different people.